Now I want you to take a look at this oven. This is oven, first deck, second deck, and this last part is proofer. In other words, it has the proofing compartment. Wow. This one?
This one.
This? Okay, the person. I thought it's this house. You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do something unique. And I'm in Sierra Leone. We are about to start production today. And this is the bakery, you can see. But before we got here, you know, this place is filled with mountains and hills, smoking mountains. And you have to climb up, down, and I'm tired. You know, almost turning me to a Spider-Man. That is by the way. So this is a very nice bakery. As you can see, this is a very nice bakery, and you can see the pans. We brought it from Nigeria so that we have the Nigerian size and shape. And you can see other equipments in there. And we are going to start production, and Sierra Leone is going to taste Nigerian bread. One thing I never knew is that Nigerian bread is actually one of the best bread in the world. So when I came here and I try some loaves here, they actually tasteless, no salt, no fruit flavor, no sugar, nothing. Just raw flour and water. They call it bread. No. So today we are going to, give our own quality recipe, and I'm going to also give you, I'll be working with you. So let me take you into the factory proper, where we have the mixer that we'll be using for trial, and also the real equipment are on the way. Now what we have here are the ones that we will use for trial. Okay, we'll use it in formulating unique recipe. We use it in also teaching them. I will use it to train them, so that when the equipment arrive, the real industrial equipment arrive, we will now be able to mass produce. And so let me take you inside. It's a very wide, it's a little bit dark, but bear with me. Very wide place, you can see. So we have this here, these little tables, two small tables, which are not enough, but for the practice or the training, we will use it. And we also have these ones here, the racks, uniquely positioned, and this is our recipe room. You can see the door there. This is the recipe room. And then I have something unique to show you. Now I want you to take a look at this oven. This is oven, first deck, second deck, and this last part is proofer. In other words, it has the proofing compartment where you can load your dough and allow it to proof. After proofing, you bring it to this place, the two deck 4-tray compartment for baking. It's unique, but it's not big enough. It's not big enough. We cannot use this to bake even 10 kg of flour. So it's very small, but I love the combination. Proofing chamber, baking decks, very nice. Now here are the control buttons. We have the switch. This is the lamp. If you want the light inside to be on, you want the light inside to be on. If you want the light inside to be on, you press this one, and then the temperature will display here. If you want some vapor, you press this one and set. Here we set the temperature low and high. You can see plus and minus. This is for the first deck, the upper compartment, and then the down compartment. This is for one deck, and then we have the second one. This for second deck. So all this from here is for up, the upper heat. From here is the down heat. So it's a very nice, well designed oven, but it's small. I'm going to keep you updated when we start production. Everything is ready. We are just waiting for the power supply to be connected, and we will start production. Anywhere in the world, invite us and we will come. And when we come, we will deliver. We always deliver. This is Sierra Leone. Thank you for watching. Please join us in our next class. See you when we start production. Subscribe to see the next video. God bless you.